Welcome back to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I'm your host, Sergio Cabanas, founder of the Cabanas Law Firm. Today I'm going to address one of the more important questions or commonly asked questions relating to divorce, which is, how can I proceed with a divorce when I don't know where my spouse is? How do you proceed with a divorce without being able to locate the other parent in order to do this important process called service of process? The court documents have to be delivered to the spouse. If we had the spouse's address or some other means of his or her whereabouts, we'd be able to serve process even in a foreign country. In most cases, if we could show the judge that we've done a reasonable and diligent search of the other spouse and we cannot find him or her, then the judge would allow us to proceed with this action by publishing a notice in the newspaper and in certain local newspapers in order to attempt to put that other spouse on notice through any means possible. And even then, sometimes the court will require that an ad litem, somebody be representing the other spouse's interest when there's substantial assets or children. So there's a special procedure through which a person can achieve a divorce even when we don't know where the other spouse can be located. I hope this information was helpful for you. Now remember, the purpose of these videos is to provide some general guidance on commonly asked questions. Of course, this is not a substitute for a personal face-to-face consultation with an attorney who can review the specifics of your case and learn more about how the law will apply to the specifics of your case. We here at the Cabanas Law Firm stand ready, willing, and able to help you in every way we can. So, if you'd like to watch any more videos relating to divorce, feel free to click right here. Thank you again for watching 60 Seconds with Sergio. We wish you well, as always, and thank you, and good luck.